Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit something different. I'm inside my house today again. Usually I do videos outside. But anyway, I bought my wife a new camera for Christmas. Hopefully when she gets used to the camera and figures out all how to use it and everything, we'll do a video on that. But for right now, I purchased something for her so she can store her camera, carry it around with her. Okay, we picked her up a camera bag by Tarion. This is a small. It comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. Okay. It has a few different colors. We chose black. Nice canvas material. Okay. Has a nice zippered pouch right here. You can put your whatever papers in. It's not very, kind of deep, but not very big, so probably paper material of some kind. It has a mesh pocket on each side. Probably put a water bottle in there. Okay. It has straps on the bottom. This is where you could strap your tripod. So when you have it on your back or carrying it around, you could have, your tripod, on the bottom. Has a handle right here so you can carry it around. Also has some straps here so you could use it as a backpack. The straps are nice and padded. Okay. And adjustable. Okay. Zipper. Let's open this up. Kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. Like I said, this is a small. So with the small, you got several compartments, like 6 compartments here that you can put different lenses in, or whatever else. And then you got your main compartment right here where you can put your camera. Okay. The different sizes, medium, you move up to a few more different sections. These and the large, of course, even bigger. These sections you can take them in and out. They're all made, they got Velcro, so you could adjust them however way you want it. This section here is the main section. Okay, these ones you could take in and out depending on how you want it. Like right now, my wife has her camera here. Let's see here. She also has an extra lens here. I think she's got, like her charger here for her batteries, and she got her batteries and some other stuff in here. She don't have much stuff in here. She's just starting, so this is going to be a new thing for her. And she's going to fill this up whenever she can with different lenses and stuff. There is also a little pouch here, padded. This is for a small laptop or tablet. Okay, you can carry around with you. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else. This also comes with a rainproof cover that you can, when it's all zipped up, you can just throw it right over the top of it in case you're out backpacking in the rain or whatever. Okay. Quick little video here on this bag. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Relatively cheap. And my wife's just starting off with this new hobby of hers, so wanted to get her something to carry her camera gear in. So, there it is. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. If this camera bag interests you, there will be a link in the description below. It's a pretty good bag. Cheap. Small. Unless you got a lot of camera gear, then I suggest getting something a little bit larger. And there's several different sizes of this. But this is all my wife needs for right now. So, if it interests you, check out the link. And if you like the content on this channel and you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. We're trying to grow this channel. Right now, pretty low on subscribers. So, I greatly appreciate if you hit that subscribe. And the thumbs up, of course. And then we'll see you in some future videos. Peace. Be safe out there.